मेरा नाम इरफान अली है। मेरा ताल्लुक़ सक्खर से। 2015 से मेरे को तकलीफ़ शुरू हुई थी, दोनों जोड़ों में दर्द होने लगा था। सक्खर में इलाज करवाया, मुझे आराम नहीं आया। मेरे को एक अचानक सा झटका आया था, उसकी वजह से जो टांगों के दोनों गोले ख़राब हो गए थे। मैं मायूस हो गया था बिल्कुल। वहाँ पे डॉक्टरों को दिखाया तो उन्होंने 12 लाख बोले थे मेरे को, आपका ऑपरेट हो जाएगा, 12 लाख लगेंगे।
जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, जोड़ों की तब्दीली का ऑपरेशन एक महंगा ऑपरेशन है और आमतौर पे ये अस्पतालों में नहीं किया जाता है या बहुत पैसे लगते हैं। इस वजह से इंडस अस्पताल में चूँकि ये बग़ैर किसी ख़र्चे के बिल्कुल मुफ्त किया जाता है, पेशेंट्स की बहुत बड़ी तादाद आती है और हमारी वेटिंग लिस्ट काफ़ी बड़ी हो गई हैं।
The main principal character here, I suppose, was Dr. Umar Barni. I met him at an orthopedic meeting in the US in 2013 or 14. In that time, we got to talking more and more about Indus and what Indus does and what Indus represents. So that sort of led to the germination of an idea that some orthopedic surgeons from the US, in sponsorship with companies from the US, would come to Indus Hospital and do surgeries free of cost.
Having spent most of my professional career in the United States, I'd never really imagined that something like this could be done. Providing care at this level, level of quality of care, to be done in a free environment, it was just something that we only dream of. So that's where this whole thing was started. And, obviously, I wanted to participate at some level and do my little part. And so started talking to some of the larger corporations in America to see, what could be done, how we could have helped.
We probably brought over 350 total joints to implant into approximately 50 people. So we have over $1.5 million of inventory here.
मेरा नाम नाहिद है, मैं कराची में रहती हूँ। मुझे घुटनों की बहुत सख्त तकलीफ़ थी। मैंने कराची के मुख्तलिफ डॉक्टरों को दिखाया, लेकिन मेरा कोई इलाज ठीक नहीं हुआ। बाहर 10 लाख का ख़र्चा आ रहा था, प्राइवेट दिखाया था 2 घुटनों का, तो इसलिए वो हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे, इसलिए हम करा नहीं सके। तो इसलिए फिर मैं इंडस में आ गई थी। यहाँ मुझे 5 साल बाद की डेट दी, लेकिन वो अमेरिका के डॉक्टर वगैरह आए हुए थे सारे, तो उन्होंने फिर इनकी वजह से मुझे जल्दी डेट दे दी।
Wanted to help out because I heard that the patients were on a wait list and they were getting a date 7 to 8 years from now to have this surgery, and the surgery can dramatically change one's life.
It's not that easy to just go help in a clinic anywhere in the world. Even though there are people who have that need, you need an operation theater, you need a team, you need implants, and you need the system where you can have post-operative care, and you need to do it in a place that can handle this type of surgery so that the post-operative results are very good. Indus Hospital has that reputation of doing really good work.
तो मेरा ऑपरेट हो गया है और बहुत अच्छा हुआ है। यहाँ के डॉक्टर बहुत अच्छे हैं। फिजियोथेरेपी के डॉक्टर मुझे रोज़ वॉक कराते हैं। मैं वॉशरूम भी जाती हूँ, चलती फिरती हूँ। पहले से बहुत अपने आप को अच्छा महसूस कर रही हूँ। मैं अपना फ्यूचर बहुत अच्छा देख रही हूँ अब, क्योंकि चलने फिरने में आसानी हो गई, जाने आने में मुस्तकिल घर बैठ गई थी मैं, लेकिन अब ये है कि जाना आना, कुछ काम कर लेना, ये मुझे सहूलत हो गई है। पहले मैं कुछ भी काम नहीं कर पा रही थी।
So I work with people all the time in the United States, and it's fulfilling to help people get well. But doing it here, and these people are having life-changing operations, and they're able to do things that they were never able to do before, and they can make a change in their life and in their future.
It's hard work coming here from such a long ways away, and it is in fact all the emotional and the mental fulfillment that we get that keeps us going while we're here.
इंशाल्लाह अब मेरा इलाज सही हो गया है, लिहाजा आगे भी तालीम भी अच्छी होगी इंशाल्लाह, कारोबार वगैरह भी करेंगे कोई। और इंडस वालों ने अच्छा ताउन किया है, बाहर से टीम आई है, उनका भी शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मेरी दिली दुआएं उनसे, अल्लाह ताला उनको और भी आगे अच्छा कामयाबी अता करे।
This was my first time operating outside of the US. I felt emotionally touched by the need that the patients had, and then I felt inspired by the work that these giants here are doing already. It's been an emotional roller coaster all week.
We were just talking about is how to do more next year, and not only to make it an annual event, but to see if we can do it several times a year. In addition to hip and knee replacement, trying to see if we can get other subspecialties, not only within orthopedics, but to expand it to other medical subspecialties, plastic surgery, gastroenterology, to see if there's people in the United States who would want to come here and to partake in this unbelievable opportunity.
Had a great experience so far. It is slightly different in the United States versus here at Indus, but I'm very encouraged by what y'all are doing. You've got a lot of great surgeons. Particularly, I'm excited about the residents. I think you've got a bright future there.
Most of the thanks have to go from the patients to them, but from Indus Hospital and everybody here at Indus Hospital to the team of surgeons who had come from the USA, the OT technician, the physiotherapist, and Zimmer USA, Zimmer Corporate, who had made a huge role in fulfilling these patients' wishes and requirements to be able to walk again without pain.